Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Maria Johnson. I want to make a video just for these beautiful photos. Look at these gorgeous, amazing can I call them creatures? I took it from around my wild neighborhood. I'm here in South Florida, and you find all kind of treasures, if you want to call them like that. So I planted this cutting about 3-4 months ago. Okay, so it was just about 12 inches cutting, and I just wanted to show you how it expanded. Today is actually taller than me. I am 5'7", so yeah, pretty tall. And look at these amazing legs, so fascinating. I'm obsessed. They kind of taking over my wall, and I'm just wondering, and I want to hear your thoughts. So here is one piece, and then on the other side I transfer another one on a fishing I use a lot of fishing wire. So I took this one and I put it behind a mirror, and ta-da! It climbed up there. So it's behind this other plant just. So yeah, and then look at the roots behind. So all these things comes from this one little branch. So it made its own home behind that mirror frame. And look what I'm trying to show you. Look at all the legs. It comes from one, okay, and it's trying to make its way down to the ground. So guys, I'm afraid this is gonna take over my whole house. I really hope not, because right now I only have two cuts. I love this one. I love how it took shape all around the border, the frame. And that's not all. On this other side I have this other one, golden Potho. Same thing, from maybe 1 or 2 cutting I planted exact same time with the other one, and the leaves are pretty big. So yeah, bigger than my hand. And I need to, as you can see, they kind of taking over the ground, and then I climbed it up in this tree. But I need to make sure it's gonna crawl on this wall, so I need to kind of I need to stabilizing with something. Maybe I'll put it in the corner. And yeah, of course some of them are already connected. This one took over between the ground, the rocks, and is about to connect right there. No, I don't want it on this ground. And I didn't come here for a few days, and not gonna lie to you, this is already connected in the ground right there, just in a few days. Wow. So I'm going to just move this up in the tree. I'm just gonna wrap it around, and yeah, this is the other one. It's cute. It's like crawling, and so I might have to build something for this one. You know what? Let me take it out right now. So look, as I'm pulling it, is the one attached right there. So I don't know, where can I put this one? For right now, let's just wrap it around this tree. Mini forest. I just have to be careful, because I don't want to take over my whole house, like I said. Well, let me show you the ones in the back as well. So let me take you in the back of my house, and I have the same thing. They crawling around. Those are crawling around the tree. So here we are in my backyard, and look, the same thing basically. Same thing from little cuttings like that from around my neighborhood. I just planted, and I kind of these ones I held them with a staple gun first, Let me show you some staples right here. See? You see? These are like some longer branches. I started them in the water first and then I staple it. And it multiplied like crazy. You see? They just attach themselves. After you help them, you know, with a staple or two or whatever. Some of them taking faster than the other. Yeah, they take the natural shape of the tree. See, this one got disconnected. I don't know how. I did not pull it. But I'm not worried about. She's gonna find her home again soon. And they taking over, you know, the ground as well. So I have two different ones in here. I have this golden Potho, I believe it's called, and then I have the plain one, the green one. I don't know the name. Can someone tell me the name? Because there are two different ones for sure. Here is my orchid I planted also about a few months ago, and look how cute. Look how cute it came through all the stuffing I put inside. It came through and it connected. Look, wow. You see how it connected to the tree right there. But that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy my tour.